Hey, this is Sabrina, lead trainer for Ballen Brands. Today I'm going to show you how to create a live Facebook video. You can do this from your mobile device as well. The process is going to be the same, except you'll just kind of be tapping on stuff instead of using a mouse to click. This is also something you can do from your personal Facebook profile, your Facebook page, your Facebook groups, and your Facebook events. Now, the purpose of going live is so that way your friends on Facebook or your followers on Facebook can watch you speak live. So it's a great way to kind of interact, answer questions in the moment, and really create a personal connection with your following. So in order to do this, you're going to go ahead and find the area on the screen, whether you're on your page, in a group, on your event, that you would normally do your Facebook post. Now you'll see on here, once you click on it, even before you click on it, the button's still there. There's a live video button. You're going to go ahead and click on that. Now, if you've never done this before, it is going to ask you it's going to ask you to allow your camera. And my camera's fuzzy. I don't know why it's so fuzzy, but it's going to pop up here and show you your video. So you kind of have a preview of your video and what that's going to look like. Now, if you have another program that you want to use that has overlays, or maybe it gets rid of your background or anything like that, you can actually click this little connect button and you get an API URL that you can link to that other tool or other program. We should have a video on that separately for you guys at a later date here. Now, on the right-hand side, you can choose where you want to post your live broadcast. You can share it on your timeline, share it in a group, share it in an event, or share it on a page. So the 4 options that I was talking about before. Then you can say something about the live video. So you want to do that and tell people why they should be watching your live video. So for example, you could say something like, let's see, today I'm sharing my top 10 tips for getting more leads online live, something like that. Okay. Now you can choose whether you want this to be public, whether you only want your friends to see it, whether you want friends except certain people to see it, so you can actually hide them. That's kind of cool. You can share your screen if you want to. So if you click on that little share screen button, it's going to download an extension of your browser. So this is for Firefox and Chrome. And then you'll be able to share your screen from there. You can also choose which microphone you would like your audio to feed in from. You're going to add a title for your live broadcast if you want. That's optional. So you could say, get more leads with these 10 simple tips. Something like that. Okay? And then you are going to hit go live. I'm not going to go live right now because I am in the middle of recording a video. So I don't want people to be catching on right in the middle of a tutorial video. But you'll hit that go live button. What it's going to do is it's going to automatically start. So you want to go ahead and go right into your live feed. I usually kind of talk for a couple minutes just to kind of kill a little bit of time while people are joining in. And then what you'll see is it'll give you a preview of your video, like what we see here. And then on the side, you're also going to see a live chat of people who are following you. So it'll tell you how many people are viewing. You'll be able to see their questions, and you'll be able to kind of answer them live right on there. Now, once it's done, it does give you the option to publish the live video. So you can choose to publish it, and then it will be hosted on your Facebook page or in that group or that event. Or you can choose not to publish it, and then if somebody didn't attend live, then they can't go back and see that live video because it was live only. So you have both of those options available for you. But other than that, it's very simple to get started with live video. We highly, highly recommend utilizing live video in your marketing strategy. Again, it's a really great way to connect with your following, with your followers, and with your friends, create a really nice personal connection. And again, you can answer their questions in real time, which is great too. If you have any questions, you can contact us at team@ballenbrands.com. And if you want to find out more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And be sure to check out our online training course where you're going to find step-by-step processes like this one for both online marketing, and we have an expansion specifically for real estate agents if you are an agent and want to learn more about that. For that, you can go to ranklikeaboss.com and check it out. Thanks for watching.